Hi everyone, Sylvia here. Welcome back to my channel, and let's talk about ContentX today. So this is a new launch on Warrior Plus, launching tomorrow on the 4th of September. And yeah, we have the sales page here, and on the sales page we will have the demo as well. And we will go through everything. I'll show you who put this product together. Okay, that's quite important to me. And also, like, for those who wish to make real money online, I always send my viewers to this amazing PDF, like, not PDF, Google Doc, okay, that you will find below all of my videos, that will give you access to 3 amazing courses. I'll talk about them more in detail later on. Let's now focus on this product ContentX. Okay, so it says on the sales page, become a successful content creator today with almost no work. ContentX, the content creator. So this is a software that's gonna create content for you out of videos. Okay, and then create quality content with a few clicks, then sell it. Okay, now where are you gonna sell it? Well, that's gonna be your concern, right? Or use it yourself. So free commercial license included, so you can sell all of the content you create. Yeah, so commercial license is included. You can use it for your clients as well, guys. Yeah, that's what it means. Okay, so they say turn any video into text content for your site, rewrite any article or text. That means it's got the spin writer feature. Get instant access to our huge database of articles. So okay, that means it's like inbuilt. So what I'm thinking is everyone who's gonna buy this product will have access to the same articles, right? So are they going to be unique? Yeah, that's what you need to think about, guys. Yeah, you can run it through the spin, but still everybody's gonna have access to the same database, even though there are thousands. Yeah, but when it comes to, like, if you were to use it for your website or something, or like a blog or like a written review, the main thing, guys, the main factor that's going to determine whether your blog is going to rank well or not is the content being unique and original, okay? And nothing is more important than that. So that I'm just thinking, like, okay, everybody's gonna have this access to the same database. Yeah. Anyhow, create digital products, lead magnets, ebooks, and much more. You can, okay. There are also sites like this one, guys, like when you can go grab the free, PLR's products. Let me show you the site. It's called www.idplr.com. So if you want, you can as well go get the PLR products from there. Just giving you a free alternative. What else do they say? Cloud app, nothing to install. Well, cloud software, cloud platform, right? Because an app is something you download from your phone, from my understanding. Free commercial license included. Okay, so that means you can use it for your clients, as I already said. And what else do they say? Start an instant content creation business. Well, as if that was so easy. Start an instant content creation business. I don't get it. I mean, like, if you're a complete newbie and you are to start like a new content creation business, so many things you need to know about content creation before you can go ahead and do it. You have to understand about SEO. You have to understand about how to rank the website. So much that goes behind it. Plus, before the written reviews start ranking, it takes way more time than, for example, for my video review to start ranking. For example, in the case of like a YouTube video, as soon as I upload it, I rank. Okay, I already show. If someone, like, for example, if I was to upload this ContentX review and someone goes on YouTube and searches for ContentX reviews, as soon as my video is up, it is going to rank. That's how fast it is on YouTube. On blogs, websites, it's not that fast, unfortunately. So I think, like, you know, that's why I like YouTube so much as a source of traffic. Anyhow, back to the sales page. Create fresh unique content that produces page 1 rankings. Okay, guys, take this with a grain of salt. A big one at that, because for you to rank on page 1 on Google, it is so complex. You need the backlinks, you need the SEO done properly, everything. The content really has to be unique, and you have to keep grinding and producing content on a regular basis, okay, before you can really rank on the first page of Google. So yeah, this one is like, yeah, sounds dreamy, but for this to become a reality, it requires a lot of work. So don't believe that this is going to be so easy and this product is going to give it to you. No. Okay, what else? Create fresh, unique articles that you can sell for thousands. Well, sell to whom, where? This is my question. What would be a source of traffic? Where would you sell it? What, as a freelancer on platform like Fiverr.com or Upwork or something? You know, as a newbie, you will be competing with a lot of already established freelancers. And for thousands, no, if it was so easy, everybody would be doing this instead of producing, you know, launching products on Warrior Plus one after another one. If this method was working, they would be doing this instead of, like here, for example, let me show you the vendor, okay? So I do quite like this guy, to be honest, and like, if you look at the funnel, they don't have like crazy funnel. They have the ContentX front end for $12.95, and then the bump package for $9.95, and then OTO number 1, unlimited upgrades. I guess unlimited articles, like unlimited content creation for $37. So you could use this product, guys. I'm not saying it's like rubbish or something. No, don't get me wrong. You could use it, but there are also like free alternatives, and you also have to ask yourself whether you want to get yourself busy with this kind of method, with writing. Would you not rather create like videos on YouTube? Because as I said, it's way easier to start ranking on YouTube, you know, pretty much right off the bat. And yeah, and I believe personally that video marketing is the future, okay? Yeah, I'm not much into blogging and stuff like that. I would probably create a website for myself. You know, I don't have one for now. I don't need it. I absolutely don't need it, okay? I'm focused on YouTube and it's working for me. But if I was to create a website, sure, I would, you know, but more for my branding than for like getting traffic from Google. So, I mean, but that's my perspective. And I do, as I said, I do believe that video marketing is the future. That's why I'm like focusing mainly on YouTube. But let me just show you the vendor. As I said, it's quite a cool guy. I know his YouTube channel, okay, Travel. And, you know, he's got 4 stars on Warrior Plus. So, you know, it speaks for itself. He did create many products, like 34 products, because, you know, that's the way to build his email list. And obviously this is working for him. And to be honest with me, I don't have a problem with frequent launches on Warrior Plus as long as they create some, like, quality products. Okay. And that they don't make, like, misleading claims on the sales pages. It's fine. I don't have a problem with it. Go create products. Why not? Okay. But give me something I can, like, you know, I can work with. So a few things I would disagree here with, but they don't make, like, you know, some huge money claims, this and that. But, you know, this thing here, then sell it. But where am I gonna sell it? I guess that they just leave it to you. It's kind of your concern. I'm just telling you guys, it's not easy to just sell it, okay? Almost no work involved. Well, the tool does it for you, so content does the work for you. Okay, so I will put the link to the sales page below my review if you want to check it out, guys. So you'll have to just click on this Get ContentX discounted now if you want to buy it, or if you just want to excuse me, check out the page, sales page beta. I mean, there isn't much on the sales page, to be honest, just some, you know, pretty girls looking at the laptops or tablets. I mean, yeah, I mean, at least it's not super long. Now, let me show you what's inside of the members area. Okay, so I'm just gonna, it is on the sales page. I'm gonna mute it and talk over it. I'm just gonna show you what's inside of the members area. And yeah, just if you go to the sales page from the link below my review, you can listen to it. They explain the product. So as you can see, okay, here's the dashboard. So first you have a few features to the left. So video into text. So converting a video. So you go take a video from YouTube, paste in the the video's URL, and it's going to convert it into text, and then you can download it, okay, in PDF, or I mean a few options that I'll give you, and you can create, like, you can use it for your blog, you can use it for a written review, but yeah, I did raise a few concerns that, you know, they have the built-in database, so probably everybody who's got this product will have access to the same, you know, articles, so that's just a fact, okay. And then you'll have the article rewriter done for, you'll have some done for you articles, so the database, and an ebook. You can create ebooks even out of either like some blogs or I guess some videos as well. Okay, so they're just showing you how to turn video into text. Okay, you select the language, and you can even add video thumbnail here, and then you generate post. Okay, let me just fast forward it. Okay, so here's your text. You can copy the content, you can download as PDF and try a new document. Okay, so that's what it does. And then, okay, they're showing you can spin it. So, well, it is important that the content is original. Okay, but let me just show you something before we go ahead. You can go, guys, on Google, just type in free article rewriter, and you can go to any article you want, paste it into the rewriter, free rewriter. It does up to 2,000 words, I believe, and you can do the same job for free. Okay. Anyhow, what are they doing now? So, okay, let me just see. And now they are showing you, what was it? That they have some done for you articles, I guess. Yeah. Okay, done for you articles. Again, they'll have the database, or like, okay, so based on the keyword, whatever niche you want, you know, like some articles are gonna pop up. Well, I'm pretty sure they have been scraped from Google or something. I'm not 100% sure, but you know, I assume so. They could be. They're not necessarily. They may not necessarily be original. So I would definitely like check them for plagiarism and stuff like that before I was to use it on my own website or blog. Okay, that's what I would definitely do, because if it's like it's been like, you know, plagiarized or something, it would not be original, you would not rank, and you could actually get in trouble and get some copy strikes as well. So, you know, guys, a lot of factors that you need to take into consideration. Okay, they're showing you that the articles you can download here from here. And now they're showing you that you can create an ebook. So this ebook is created out of what? Hold on, this ebook create. Okay, they're showing this last feature here. Let's check it out. The ebook title. So you can, okay, so the way you can do it, you can convert the URL to ebook. You have some done for you ebooks too. Okay. Right. So, and then you can download as a PDF version. Now, as for the ebooks, guys, okay, they're showing you the ebook. Alright, as I said, go watch it. It is on the sales page, so, and I actually like the fact that they are showing the demo on the sales page, so it's like you know what kind of like software you would be getting here, and they do explain what it does, so I do like that. I do like the transparency. But let me just give you like a free alternative as well, like for the PDF. I mean, there's so much. This website again, idplr.com, guys, so many ebooks. I mean, you just register for free, you know, and here you have like free ebooks, software, videos, audio, graphics, free templates, and there are PLR products. So, you know, you can rebrand them, you can sell them, you know, it's private label rights, okay? So they're basically that you can make them into your own products. So, you know, you have that option too. Okay, guys, so my final thoughts on this product is like, I guess, you know, it could be useful. You could use it for something. I mean, if you specifically need a content creator. But then again, like, yeah, my number one recommendation would be to focus more on, well, you know, video marketing, because I do believe it is the future. It is way more fun, engaging, and all of that. And guys, like, you know, yeah, you can get all of this content, but what are you going to do with this content? Do you have a website? Okay. Now, if you have a website, it's way better if you write your own content. Way, way, way better. Okay. And also you need to learn how to drive traffic to that content. And this is very important, because traffic is money. You can have all the content, okay, in the world you want, but if you don't have the traffic, how are you going to sell it? Okay, here they tell you like, yeah, then sell it, but where? Who is going to buy? Robots? No, robots are not going to buy from you. Real people. So, you know, remember, money is not made, it is taken. So, you know, you have to take the money from someone. What I mean by that, someone has to give you the money, buy, okay, from you. Yeah, and for that you really need to learn how to create the assets. Okay, so that your asset would be either your website, but to me personally, it's way more better to focus on video marketing, create a YouTube channel. I mean, website is still all good, okay. It depends. Maybe you're a writer, you prefer to write, fair enough, okay. And also focus on building an email list. This is very important. Okay, guys, if you are serious about making like a solid online business, creating a solid online business, and especially if you're interested in affiliate marketing, then I would really send you to the link below my video as well. So apart from the link to the sales page, which you may want to check out and watch the demo, you can also grab these, like they're kind of like my bonuses, okay, for you, because they'll give you access to free professional courses on affiliate marketing, this lazy commissions, on traffic generation, very important. You will learn how to generate free traffic organically, okay? Well, organic traffic. So this is the traffic endgame, and then on email marketing, so how to master email marketing as a method. So this email marketing secret, so, you know, when you send emails out to your list, they actually hit the primary inbox instead of ending up in the junk spam, okay, and never be seen by your clients. Alright, so yeah, just click here, get yourself signed up, click on these links here, sign up and get access to these courses for free. I have purchased all of them, okay, and I got the reseller rights, so now I give them away to all of my viewers. They are free, completely free of charge, the front ends. And then later on, if you wish to become part of the community, you can upgrade, but it's totally up to you. The front ends are free, value packed. You can learn so much from them. Okay, and here are various ways of getting hold of me. If you have any questions, you can also pop them down below. This video, I'll get back to you once I see your comments, guys. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, so that brings me till the end of my video, I guess. With me sharing my thoughts on this ContentX product. So it's launching tomorrow on the 4th of September. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Drop me a like if you like my video, and then any questions, again, pop them down below my review. I'll get back to you once I see them. and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye, have a beautiful day.